Wow, a truck in front and behind us. Awesome!
Garbage Family Show!
Hey everybody, I hope you had a good Christmas. We had a good time celebrating Jesus' birthday at our house. Today we are in the city of Phoenix, Arizona. There are so many full bins to them. Let's check it out. Did you know garbage and recycling loads after Christmas are really high? That makes for some fun videos with super full garbage cans. When the bins are that full, it makes a huge mess. Watch this! Did you see the box that never made it in? I'll rewind it for you. Right there. Too much recycling in a can can really make a mess. If you haven't already, make sure to pound that subscribe button and give this video a like, because it helps us out a lot and we have some cool videos planned. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Cooper and his mom Tiffany. Cooper has been following garbage trucks his whole life, just like me. Way to go, and thanks for watching Garbage Family Show. Up goes another full bin. And if you didn't notice, this garbage truck driver is a woman. That's great. I just noticed the gray sky kind of matches the color of the truck. Look how full that can is. This one is pretty full too. Ah, a cup fell out. I love the city of Phoenix's blue recycling truck. That was the inspiration for my original garbage truck that my dad built for me. I have lots of videos of it and our other trucks. They're on our channel, check it out. Wow, that can got crushed by the grabber. Back to the gray Scorpion garbage truck. He has to be really careful. Good job. Wow, a truck in front and behind us. Having a mirror on the side of the car comes in handy when you're watching two trucks. This is something you don't see every day. This man had so much recycling after Christmas that he loaded his bin 3 times. That's pretty patient of the driver to wait. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Have a good New Year!